Hey chickens! Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a Birchbox opening. So let's have a look. I got a pink little bag. So we've got a pink bag and a yellow cord. Let's have a look inside. Oh, do you like a sneak peek? So everyone will receive a multi-purpose makeup treat from Benefit in their July box. Sounds cool. So let's have a look what we got. We have This Works Perfect Leg Skin Miracle. In the shops, £37 to get this. So a tinted multivitamin syrup to perfect and help cover skin imperfections. Sounds good to me. And we have a full size brow liner in 023. And that in the shops is £12.99. Let's have a look. And we have a Narrow Enhance eyeliner. And it's pink. Oh, it's really creamy. And in the shops this is £12. Used on the inner and outer corner of your eye and your waterline for a wide awake effect. Try that. We also have some Bobbi Brown cream, extra eye repair cream, £46 in the shop. And we also have Scrub Love Coffee Body Scrub. This is £12 in the shops. And it is highly nourishing, redness reducing, super smoothing for normal to dry skin. It says, "Hey babe, are you ready to get a little dirty?" Surely I was meant to say, "Are you ready to get a little dirty?" Spelling mistake. So yeah, this is most probably my favourite one so far. So yeah, maybe they need to check their spelling mistakes on their packet, because I'm pretty sure it's not meant to say, "Are you ready to get a little dirty?" I'm pretty sure it's meant to say, "Are you ready?" Everybody fucks up, I guess. So, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. Bye!